This is Deity Microphones. It's a pocket wireless mobile kit. Today I'm going to unbox it and talk about its quirks and features. I was using iPhone microphone for quite some time and now it's time to move to this. Let's take a look at the box. So this is a mobile kit. It's not just the microphones, it's also a bunch of other things. Comes with all that. This is the back of the box. Comes with this Deity seal. Manual. Case. Deity. This one has some wires. We have here C to C, C to 3.5 jack, USB A to C, and this thing looks like gold plated. This is a stand for close-up shots. Very sturdy, stands very well. A to C adapter, fluffy thing to put on your microphone. And these two things. One is the microphone itself, the other one is a receiver. This one you can clip. And this one too. This is what we get in this bundle, and I'll show you the difference between iPhone microphone, which I'm using right now, and this thing that costs like $200. I believe I'll need to charge it first. I put both of them on charge. I'm not sure if this one should be charged, but I just put them both. I have an old iPhone 14 Pro Max, and luckily I kept this thing from some very old iPhone, and I'll definitely need it now. We connect this thing to this thing, and this we connect to transmitter. We have here two things. One with this kind of screen connects to your phone, and this one is the microphone that you keep next to your mouth. And this thing connects to that stand, and then you can adjust it for the size of your phone, and you can place the transmitter on the back over here. Just clips in here. You can rotate this thing to set up the position. So if I want like this, now it stays like that. If you want to change, you just do like this. Rotate it the way you want. Need to do with two hands. I would probably keep it like that, so you don't use your front camera, but back camera instead. And the microphone, you keep near your mouth. You can clip it to your jacket, or you can use this thing. Just connect it in here. And then this you attach somewhere next to your mouth. I have not figured how to attach this fluffy thing, so please write down in the comments below. In order to use them, you turn on this switch and that switch. And in order to pair them, you need to hold this button and this button together. This is your mic. You can attach this thing over there, but I didn't figure how. You can also attach the transmitter here on top. Let's bring the microphone close. As you can see, now the quality of audio is much better than in the beginning of the video, where I was using the iPhone microphone. The other option is to put this 3.5 jack in here, just like that, and you can also screw it in. Now it can't go out, and use this Lavalier mic, and you can attach it somewhere like here, and use it like that. I believe this will give you a little bit worse sound quality, but it looks better. Or you can just unscrew it like this and just keep using this mic. You can even interview someone like that. You can also connect it here. Now with this thing, my audio quality is gonna be much better in my videos. Thank you very much for watching.